How's it going, YouTube? I just got this email, well, earlier today I got this email about 4:21 p.m. up in the right hand corner. I got this email 5 hours ago. Anyways, they got a sale going on, Ruger BX25 mags for $19.99, and they have M&P 22 handgun 25 round mags for $23.99, and Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 22 long rifle 25 round mags for $14.99. That's a great deal, because I bought mine at about $15 plus shipping. And they actually have 22s for sale. They have what does that say? I can't really read it. It says Norma, I think. TAC 22 40 grain 500 rounds for $5.99 or $59.99. So I mean, $59.99 is pretty high dollar for 500 rounds. You know, you're looking at like 10 cents, maybe 12 cents a bullet. But anyways, they're having a really good sale on magazines. I love my 1522. My M&P 1522 shoots really nice. My buddy's got a BX 25 round magged Ruger 1022, and we're gonna take that out to the range next. But there you go. Nice sale going on at Midway USA. Check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, favorite, and or share my videos. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Anyways, have a good night.